WordPress is one of the best ways of creating sales funnel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own sales funnel on WordPress. Now, this is fourth video of my series of building digital product business. I have been using WordPress from last 5 years. So in some moments, I'm going to go onto my screen. I'm going to show you step by step how to build a sales funnel on WordPress. And actually, I'll be building my own so you can exactly follow the steps. So as a prerequisite, you need to have a few things. One, you need to have a domain name, and second, you need to have WordPress hosting. Okay, I would recommend you one of my favorite websites, which is A2 Hosting, where you can get a domain name, you can get a hosting. I have put my affiliate links in the description. I would really appreciate it if you will use them while you are signing up for A2 Hosting. Otherwise, of course, you are free to do whatever you use. I have tried tens of WordPress hosting websites, and I have realized that most of them are not that good. Sometimes the website is really slow, and then you end up losing a lot of money. So instead of saving money, you actually lose money on cheap WordPress hosting websites. A2 Hosting is not the expensive one. It's actually cost efficient, but also very good in terms of speed and conversions. So if you will use the link below this video, which is withhimanshu.com/A2 hosting, it will take you to this website. Okay. And I want you to go to hosting and then web hosting. And then I would recommend you to go for Turbo Boost. This is the fastest website hosting. I was amazed at the speed. And then you can click on Get Turbo Boost, and then you need to create an account. And also you can see if you will go for a month, it is actually $18 a month. But if you are going for 24 months or 36 months, which is what I would suggest you to go for at least 24 months or 12 months, then you are going to save a lot of money. Okay. So it's literally less than $100 and the website speed is really good. Now, once you have done this, okay, I want you to ensure that you are installing WordPress in that. Now, if you are completely new to this and you need any help, then make sure to ask in the community so anyone can help you with this. Otherwise, optionally, you can also go directly for WordPress hosting, which is completely managed by A2 Hosting. Okay. And once everything is set up, your WordPress dashboard is going to look something like this. Okay. Now understand this. WordPress is a CMS, which is content management system. It cannot create sales funnel by its own. So the platform that I personally use for WordPress is Thrive themes. This is the complete suite of themes and plugins on WordPress that helps you create beautiful websites and high converting sales funnel on WordPress. I am sharing this because I'm using it from last 6 years. This is the most important piece of software that I have ever purchased in my business. So Thrive themes comes with a few things. One is it helps you create beautiful landing pages, drag and drop. I'm going to actually show you while I will be working on my funnel. And then it also comes with these integrations and automations. You can also host your online course on Thrive themes, and you can also take payments with Stripe without learning to code. So it's very, very powerful software. And if you are already familiar with WordPress, then this will be the best investments that you will make. Again, I have put the link of the Thrive themes in the description. If you are going to follow this, you are free to sign up for Thrive themes account. You can go for quarterly if you are running short on budget, which will cost you $199 per quarter, or otherwise you can go for yearly subscription, which is $499 per year. It comes with landing page designer, lead generation, and sales funnel, and all this complete access. With this said, we are ready to create our sales funnel on WordPress. Okay. So once you have set up your Thrive themes, I want you to go to click on new page. Okay. As a strategy, our sales funnel is going to look something like this. Okay. We are going to create an opt-in page, and then we will take people to sales page. And once people purchase our product, then we are gonna take them to thank you plus delivery page. Okay. So this is how our sales funnel is going to look like. And on this opt-in page, we can bring traffic through paid ads. We can also use our blog articles. Also, we can use our YouTube. So all of this is possible if we have the sales funnel. Now imagine running ads just on website and expecting people to buy their services. People are not going to do that, right? You understand that when we are bringing people to an opt-in page where they are signing up to get a freebie, then they love to put their email address, and then we will take them to, of course, to the sales page, from here to the thank you page. All right. So this is pretty much the funnel. Okay. Coming back to our new page, I'm going to create a registration page. Now, just for the recap, I have created a freebie which is called 1200 power words. When you are creating a sales page or when you are in one-to-one calls, one of the most important things is to use the right words. The words that you are going to use in your sales conversations are going to determine whether you are converting that customer or not. So what I have done is I have created a database of 1200 power words that create emotional response in your listener's mind. And I have put together the complete database, and I'm going to give it as free if people will sign up on my website. Now, once people will do that, I will take them to a sales page where I'm going to congratulate them for downloading this database. And also I'm going to give them one-time offer for getting my complete sales script. This is the script I personally used to take my company from $0 to $200,000 in 6 months. I have sold high ticket products, low ticket products. I have used the same script for my videos and my webinars in my one-to-one calls. So this is a very high value product, and I honestly did not want to sell it in the beginning because I was like, why would I do that? But then I decided that I'm gonna do that, and if people really value this, then of course they will get benefited with massive value, and I'm gonna try to sell it at $49 one-time fee. I have also added the bonus along with the script, so this complete thing I'm going to offer on my sales page. Okay, so I want you to create a free product and I want you to create a premium product when you are following this concept. Now, if you are wondering what you can sell or what you can offer for freebie, then you might want to check out the resource that I have shared below this video, which is AI prompt for generating best product ideas. Now let me show you how it really looks when I use this with AI. Okay, when I use this prompt, it gives me this idea. I used it for course creators, which is my target audience. Now this is the product idea, and then this is the problem it solves, and it also gives me catchy title. Okay, now look at this. Email sequence template for course launches. I know that this is a very good idea because of my experience of working with people. And then problem it solves is difficulty in crafting engaging email campaign, and then catchy title is launch like a pro, 30-day email sequence that turns subscribers into students. This gives you enough idea to start working on a digital product that you can start selling. All right. Now, the reason I'm giving you all of these resources is because I genuinely want you to start making money. There are so many fake gurus who will tell you that you need to pay thousands of dollars to learn this information. I don't want you to do that. I want you to get the results. Okay. And this is why I'm sharing you all the resources, all the tools completely in this video. Okay. Now, coming back to my page, we are going to create a registration page. Okay. Or you can also call it opt-in page. A better idea is always to give it a catchy name, but for the example, I'm using this. Okay. Then I'm going to save the draft and I'm going to click on Launch Thrive Architect. Now, this is part of Thrive Themes, and it will help me design a beautiful landing page quickly, like literally super fast. If I will try to do that with any other software, then it can take me days. And if I give it to any developer or any IT professional, then he's going to charge me hundreds of dollars for creating this. Now, simply, I'm going to click on pre-built landing page, which will give me hundreds of templates to pick from. For this example, let's say this one. Then I'm going to click on lead generation. Nope. Let's try something else. Basically, what I'm looking at is simple title and then a place where people can fill their email address. That's all I am looking for. I don't want to overcomplicate this. All right. I like this one, lead generation. Yeah, there you go. This is simple and beautiful. Okay, so looks like we are ready. So I will go to my AI chatbot, which is Claude, and I'm going to ask it to give me some good titles for the digital product that I'm creating. Okay, and I have shared the access to all of these prompts below this description, so you can make use of all of these resources. So I'm going to go to my prompt database, and then I will say words. All right, how to double your sales in 30 days without writing a single new piece of content, even if you are not a natural writer. This sounds good. Now you can play around with this, but for now I will simply use this. I will do headline 2, how to double your sales. I'll just remove double your sales in 30 days. Even if you are not a natural writer, I'm gonna go to my right side. I will drag this text here. I will change it to central, and then I will copy this subhead from my chatbot and I will paste it here. Unlock the secret vault of 1200 proven power words that turn lame copy into irresistible offer. Start transforming your business. This is unnecessary. High converting sales engine. All right, this sounds good. We can change it. Also, as you can see, this is a template, so I can change the color. Okay, if I will go to my left side, you can see I can also change the color, and let's use, I will just write my name here and then enter your name and email access. Okay, this sounds good. Then form is already created. I will click on this form. If you want to connect it with your email responder, you can literally do it in just one click. Okay, I'll show you this. So you go to main option. Okay, you can click on add connection and it can take you to API dashboard. Okay, when you will click on this, you can connect it with any email responder that you are using. If I will click on add new connection, you can see active campaign, Aweber, campaign monitor. I personally use ConvertKit, so I can paste my API key here and then I can connect it. And this is literally it. This is why I really love this. The simplicity of this software is mind-blowing. Imagine doing this with normal WordPress. It's just not possible. For now, I'm gonna leave it as it is. I will do it later. And then one more thing I want you to do is notice this thing after successful submission. Once people have filled their email address, I want them to go to my sales page, right? So that's where we need to fill our target URL. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it something that does not exist, but I'm going to create it. Okay. So my website name is firstcustomeronline.com. Now I'm going to go and create a sales page later, but for now I will give the URL here, and that I'm going to call for now sales page. Okay. I would not recommend you giving this kind of URL. Better give it the name. So let's say CSS sales page, which is conscious sales script. This is the product that I'm going to offer, and you can ignore all the other settings for now, and then you can click on save work. Okay. Once this is done, I want you to come back to your editing interface and click on hit publish. Okay. So as you can see, this is published. We can also preview this page. You can see it looks good enough. Double your sales in 30 days, even if you are not a natural writer. Unlock the secret vault of 1200 proven power words that turn lame copy into a high converting sales engine. That's it. Enter your name. I will go to add new page. Okay, I want to create a sales page now. So I will go to my pages, click on add new page, and remember this time I want to give the URL exactly what I have mentioned in my opt-in page, right? So for doing that, I need to click on link, okay? And I want to paste this. You see CSS sales page. This will be done, and then I will save it, and then I can click on launch Thrive Architect. Now this is where the fun begins, because I have already added a sales video and I'm going to use that. Okay, and it is going to be a video sales letter. You can use this template called copy to smart or bright smart, and they literally have the complete sales page ready. You can simply replace the words and it will be done. I want to go to sales page and I want to use bright, smart, short video sales page. Okay, and I'm gonna click on apply template. I have a sales video ready that I have uploaded on Vistia, which allows you to upload 10 videos for free. So you don't need to pay any money on here. I will go to my Vistia account and I will simply copy my video URL. Okay. If you are new, you can simply click on upload now. I will copy this URL. Okay. Share it. Copy link. I will come here. And then I'm going to replace this video, which is from YouTube. You can also upload videos on YouTube, Vimeo, Vistia, and all these different options. My option is Vistia. I personally love this software and it's also free. And then that's how it is going to look like. Okay, I'm gonna change a few things here. For example, I don't like this logo. This header is also unnecessary. Here I'm gonna say congratulations, claim your one-time offer. All right, so this is going to be the title. I might wanna reduce the size. For doing that, I will simply go to this left sidebar. I will reduce the size. And then one more thing I want to do is I want to add a timer because I don't want to get everyone to have this offer. Okay, so for doing that, I want to use something called countdown. Okay, and I will use countdown evergreen for this, and it gives me all the options from the template. So I will use the one that seems cool for now, and then I'm gonna change it from 0. This option will be available for 10 minutes. Okay, and I only wanna show minutes and seconds. I can also change it when it expires. You missed out. This offer is no longer available if people have missed out. Okay, there's a background section which I feel has too much gap, so let's change this to 50 and then start getting the results. I'll say claim your offer. Now important part is where will it take me, right? So target URL. So we need to customize it, and that we are going to do it in a moment. These are the testimonials, and then you can also add another block if you want. If I will click on the block, you can literally see there are hundreds of blocks that you can use from. You can also use the lead generation or call to action one. This is pretty much our sales page, and this is ready literally in less than 30 minutes. I want to publish this, but we still have not configured our delivery system and our payment system, right? So let's do that first. So for doing that, I will go to my WordPress dashboard, and I wanna go to Thrive dashboard and product manager. And in product manager, I want you to install this thing called Thrive Apprentice. Thrive Apprentice is the tool that helps us set up our payment system and also deliver products on the website. So we are going to do that in a moment. I want to go to Apprentice dashboard. I will click on WordPress updates. Looks like there's a new update with it. That's great. Okay, so this is ready. So I'm going to go to Thrive dashboard and Thrive Apprentice, and it will take me to a page like this. Okay, now the product is delivered as course. So I will simply create a new course, and this is where I'm going to give access to my sales script. So I'm going to say conscious sales script. That's the premium product. Okay, you want to create a cover image that you can do on Canva. All right, and then I'm gonna save it. Awesome. And inside content, I can add the detail. I can say add lesson. Lesson title is basically the complete sales script. So complete sales script. This is the text lesson. Yes. And this is where you can have access restriction. So we are gonna do that in a moment. Okay. And by the way, you can also offer course completion certificate to people. So if you are actually selling online courses, then this is a really good way. But for now, let's click on create a product based on this. We are gonna do that. I will say done. It will automatically create a product for me. Access expiry if you want to do that. If this is a membership, you can change it. Access requirement. Now this is where we are going to connect our payment system. Okay, so I'm clicking on connect Stripe. It will take me to Stripe information. It will take me some time to finish this. All right, because I already have a Stripe page, it has automatically connected everything. But if you do not have it, then simply you can set up your Stripe. It will take you some time and then you will be ready. Okay, I want you to spend some time on this because this is what is going to give you money. All right, so I will click on product pricing. I will add a price for this, which is $49. As you know, billing monthly, daily, custom. Well, it's actually one time. Okay, so this is just, I'm going to click on save. Now, can you see how easy this whole thing is? It blows my mind, to be honest. Now, again, I understand if you are doing it for the first time, it might be a bit tricky. So in that case, ask in the community. Okay, don't feel shy. I really want you to start generating money and live the life that you really want. Okay, this stuff is ready. And then, okay, this is the interesting part. Once people have purchased the product, you can optionally send them somewhere. Okay, that's where the success page comes in. So you can create a new page for people who have paid, or if they fail to pay, then you can send them to another page. Okay, for now, for success, I want them to go to my community. All right, here, this is my URL where I will send them. Then I'm gonna save it. Now you can see my product is ready and my course is ready. I'm gonna go here once again. I'm gonna hit publish. Oops, we need to publish our lesson. Again, this is just for the example. I have not added the information. You can actually add new content before you publish this. Okay, and this is exactly what I'm going to do. Once this is published, I can also hit this course published, and then I can add a new course, which is the freebie, which is 1200 plus power words. Okay, then I will click on save. All right, add lesson. I will click on submit. All right, and I'm gonna hit publish. I can also add new content here. I will do that later, otherwise this video will be too long. I will click on publish. So we have 2 courses ready. Super excited for this. We don't need to create a product for Power Words because we will simply give access to this as soon as people sign up. Okay, now we need to go to our product page. Okay, I will click on this preview option and you can see this is how the product page is going to look like. It's not the best design, but the good thing is you can literally design every part of it. Okay, I have not really set up anything at all in this, but for now I will go to my products. This is ready. This environment is live. All right, let's click on preview. This is how it is going to look like to everyone. If I will click on start course, it will say you need to be logged in to access this course. Okay, so people need to log in. When people log in, it will ask them to pay money for this, right? All right, coming back to our sales page, which is here, I want to save my work and then I'm gonna reload this page because it will download all the new information that we have added to our website at this moment, right? So we are gonna go down here. I want to go to plus. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so this is a buy now button, so I'm gonna use this buy now button here. You see, this is the buy now button, but let's do it a little better. Okay, what else? Okay, I'll go here. I'll say pricing table. I will drag and I'm gonna use this. Oh my god, I love this one. Okay, so I'm gonna use this pricing table here. We have tens of options. You literally have all the options, beautiful ones. But for now, I'm just gonna use this one. I will delete one of the options because I only have one product to sell. I'll say sales script, lifetime access, $197, but it's actually free. So this is basically the offer that I have created. Now you might want to spend some time creating offers. If you have any struggle with this, then of course you can ask in the community. And actually my plan is to sell it at $97. I'm gonna do that, and then this is the buy now button. But I don't want to use a random button here. I want to use the button that takes people for the payment. Okay, so for doing that, I need to find this button in integration and then buy now. All right, here, then I'll delete this. I will change it a little bit. I'll say full width, and then this is actually a button link. Okay, so you can see this is an apprentice product. You need to change it a little bit. Product that you can pick, and then the gateway that you have selected. All right, so this is done. I will click on save, and literally this is pretty much. One last thing we want to do is when people will click on this button, I want them to scroll it automatically to my target, which is this page. Okay, so I'll click on this add jump link. This is ready. I want to save this. I want to click on preview, and there you go. Okay, people are gonna come to this page, they're gonna watch this video, and then they are gonna click on here, buy now, and it takes them to the Stripe checkout system. Okay, and then people can pay with their card. Once they pay, it will redirect them to the page where we have asked them, which is success page. You see, this is the place where it will redirect them to. Now, optionally, you can create a new page with all the description of what they are going to get, and also maybe a thank you video and how they can access all this information. If they have any problems, then they can also reach out to the support. So all this stuff that you can design, and then this page URL you can send them, you can add here. Okay, you can create new page and do all of this stuff. This is how you create a digital product sales funnel on WordPress. I have shared the complete details. If you want to do that on ClickFunnels, which is also another option and a great option right now, you can watch my other video on this topic. It took me a lot of time to collect all this information together and create this video for you. So I would really appreciate if you can give me a like and subscribe to my channel, so every time when I put a new video, you can get notified. I'll talk to you in the next video where we are going to discuss traffic generation.